Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to craft iodine in Last Day on Earth. Survival. Iodine is an extremely rare and valuable element, essential for your survival in the game's challenging environments. We'll cover everything from gathering the basic components to the final crafting steps, ensuring you can produce this indispensable item. Mastering iodine crafting will significantly boost your ability to tackle advanced threats and explore new areas. To begin crafting iodine, you'll need two primary ingredients: seaweed and alcohol. Seaweed can be found in the game's island regions, such as the Sand Quarry, Watchtower, or Dead Island. Remember, you'll need a motorboat to access these watery locations. For alcohol, head to your base and utilize the medical table to produce it. Ensure you collect enough of both to proceed with crafting. Once you have gathered your seaweed and alcohol, the next step is to use the chemistry station. This specialized workbench is where iodine is synthesized. Simply place the required amounts of seaweed and alcohol into the chemistry station's inventory. With both components present, you can then start the crafting process, transforming these raw materials into the highly sought-after iodine. Iodine is indispensable for several critical items in Last Day on Earth. Survival. Its primary use is in crafting anti-radiation pills, which are vital for surviving irradiated zones. Additionally, iodine is a core ingredient for making sporicide and spore blockers, essential for navigating the hazardous island region. Having a steady supply of iodine ensures you are prepared for advanced challenges and can explore all areas safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.